Hi, I'm Danny Sanchez, CEO and founder of Autoshop Solutions. And during these troubled times, we've got some tips for you to help you keep your business rolling under these difficult circumstances. First off, I know you're hearing it from other people as well. And I know it might sound self-serving, but don't let your marketing drop. What do you do when you have just not quite enough cars in the shop? You look at your marketing. Now's the time to look at how we can keep our cars rolling in to make sure we're keeping the technicians busy and some income rolling in, especially in these tough times. If you're bored, well, guess what? So is everybody else. They're looking at home, they're looking at content to take a look at, and you could be one of those providers of content. There's a lot that you can create just using your cell phone and generating some videos and helping people maybe either one, entertain themselves just a little bit by showing something funny, or by showing them some content that they can help while their cars are sitting at home. For example, I can tell you I have a couple friends already that have said their cars have been slow to start, slow cranking the last couple days because they haven't run them for about a week. Well, how hard would it be to create just a simple video to remind them, hey, if you haven't started your car in a week, now might be a good time to go out and run it, maybe ride once around the block while keeping socially distant, of course. You can also post anything funny that you might think is related. You're still at the shop, of course, please post that you're still open and ready to serve. Now's the time to communicate more than you ever have in the past. Just these kinds of taking action tips can help you get your business through these rough times, and it's just a quick tip from us here at Autoshop Solutions.